In this video, I demonstrate how to generate money online using a free Google technique, which is one of the most simple methods to work from home. How do you go about doing it? We'll find out soon enough. This is how to make $5,000 using a Google technique that is completely free. In this video, I'll show you how to create a passive income stream with just one click of a button, utilizing this completely free software by utilizing a simple Google technique. You don't need to spend any money to get started, you don't need your own website, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Now, right before I explain to you how you can do this, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now let us get started. So let's begin with step number 1, which is going over to news.google.com. And step number 2, that's going to take you over to Google News, which is a news aggregator service developed by Google, where you can find all of the latest news from all around the world. And here on the left-hand side, you can see all of these different categories, including your country, what's happening in the world, your local news, and you also have business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you go over to entertainment right here, that's going to give you all of the latest entertainment news, either on your specific country or all around the world. Now moving on to step number 3, every couple of hours, this news will update and new articles will take place on specific topics, which in this case, that's going to be business. As you can see right here, this one was posted an hour ago, this one 14 hours ago, 11 hours ago, and so on and so forth. So you can open any of these articles and use them to make money online. So for example, we're going to use this one right here. Now all we have to do is to just click this specific article, and that's going to take us to this page. So as you can see, this is the entire article that you can use to make money, which I will be explaining exactly how. So for this step, I want you to copy this article. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to copy short sentences of this article just to show you an example on how this actually works and how you can make money from these articles on Google News. Now, moving on to step number 4, all you need to do is to go over to quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is a free online tool that will rewrite those articles professionally for you, so you can use them free of charge to make money online again and again. So what you will need to do is to paste your article here and just click paraphrase, and it's going to rewrite the entire article. The best part is, it's all done for you for absolutely free, so you can see here on the left-hand side, we have the original article, and on the right-hand side, we have the rephrased article, which is now unique and ready to be used. Now I can copy this rephrased article with one click of a button, so I can use it to make money online. And you can do the same thing for all of these articles from different categories that are available in Google News, which are coming in every couple of hours. Like, you have thousands and thousands of different articles, and each of these articles can make you money again and again. And later in this video, I will be giving you free bonuses that will allow you to make even more money. So stay tuned for that. Now moving on to step number 5, there are 2 different ways you can make money with those rephrased articles. The first one is not going to make you that much, but the second one, you can make thousands of dollars. In fact, it actually made tens of thousands of dollars to lots of people from all over the world. But real quick, before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. Now the first and the least paying option is to use textbroker.com. Textbroker is working with some massive companies such as Yoast, Staples, eBay, Auto, and so on. This platform will pay you for writing those articles. Now, of course, you won't have to write those articles yourself because, as I just showed you, you can get them written for you for absolutely free with one click of a button by using a simple Google trick to make money online. So all you need to do is to go over to textbroker.com and click on I write content right here. And that's going to take you over to the next page where you can learn more about how to make money by writing articles for TextBroker actually. It's absolutely free to register with TextBroker and start making money by writing different articles today. Now, if you go to the payment section right here and click on more information, you will be able to calculate how much money you will be making. As you can see, for 1,000 words, you will be making $55. And you can literally find a lot of articles that are 1,000 words long on Google News. So, the longer the article is, the higher the earnings. If your article is longer and better, you will be making more money. So let's say for 12,000 words, you will be making up to $660. The best part is, you can do it over and over again. But just keep in mind that this is not going to make you that much money compared to the second way of making money with free articles. To get started with TextBroker, just click on Free Author Registration right here. Create an absolutely free account and start making some money with those articles. And the second way you can make money from those free articles is by leveraging the power of freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, QuickandGigs.com, TrueLancer.com, Guru.com, Freelancer.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of different freelancing websites which you can use, not just Fiverr, because if you use more of them, you will be able to make a lot more money. So if you sell on 10 different freelancing websites, you can earn up to 10 times your earnings. But if you just sell on one website, that's only one way to make money from those articles. So the more you do it, the more money you'll make. So if you go over to Fiverr.com and search for article writing, that's going to show you all of these different people that are making money by writing simple articles. But the thing is, they are doing it the hard way because they are doing it themselves. And that's why it takes them a lot more time and effort to write those articles. And customers just don't like to wait. I mean, no one likes to wait. And since you can deliver those articles almost instantly, you will be 10 steps ahead of all of your competitors. In that way, you'll earn more money compared to them. And you can see that it actually works. Like this person right here. This person is providing this service starting from this price and got these sales, which is over $5,000 in profit. This person is charging this one and got over 400 sales, while this person is charging $60 and got 100 sales, and so on and so forth. These are all proofs that it actually works. All of these people are making tens of thousands of dollars by writing simple articles. And this is just on one freelancing website called Fiverr, which is a really competitive one. So that's why I highly recommend you use the other freelancing websites as well. And you have lots of different Fiverr alternatives, as I mentioned earlier in this video. The more freelancing websites you use, the more you will be able to maximize your earnings. This method is really simple and it's absolutely free. The best part is, it works all over the world. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.